Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andriawan from 12th grade IPS 1. I will tell the legend of Timun Mas. Long time ago lived an old woman named Mbok Sirni. She lived by herself because her husband had long passed away and she had no children. Every day she prayed so God would give her a child. One night when she was praying, a giant passed her house and her here pray, I can give you child on one condition. The giant said to Mbok Sirni, you must give the child back to me when it's 6 years old. Mbok Sirni was so happy. She did not think about the risk of losing the child later and agreed to take the giant's offer. The giant then gave her a bunch of cucumber seeds. Plant it around your house. The giant then left without saying anything else. In the morning, Mbok Sirni planted the seeds. The seed grew within mere days and blossomed plentiful. Not longer after that a big golden cucumber grew for plants. Careful, Mbok Sirni plucked the golden cucumber and carried it home. With caution and care, she sized the cucumber. She was very surprised to see a beautiful baby girl inside the cucumber. She then named the baby Timun Mas. Years passed by and Timun Mas has grown to become a lovely and beautiful girl. She was also smart and kind. Mbok Sirni loved her very much, but she kept thinking about the time the giant would take Timun Mas away from her. One night, Mbok Sirni had a dream. In order to save Timun Mas from the giant, she had to meet the holy man who lived in the Mount Gundul. The next morning, Mbok Sirni took leave of Timun Mas to go to Mount Gundul. The holy man then gave her 4 little bags. Each one contained cucumber seed, needles, salt, and shrimp paste. Timun Mas can use to protect herself, said the holy man to Mbok Sirni. A few days later, the giant came to see Mbok Sirni about her promise. Mbok Sirni, where is Timun Mas? Shouted the giant. My daughter, take this bag with you. It can save you from the giants. Now, run through the back door, said Mbok Sirni. But the giant saw Timun Mas running to the woods. The giant was angry, startled and had rushed toward Timun Mas. Mbok Sirni tried to stop him, but the giant fence unstable. The giant was getting closer and closer, so Timun Mas opened the first bag she grown for Mbok Sirni. Inside bag were cucumber seeds. She threw the seeds and instantly they grew into large cucumber field. But the giant ate them, all giving for strength as the was getting close. Timun Mas took the second bag with needles inside, spilled the content behind her. The needles turned into bamboo trees, some thorny. The giant's body straight and bled. Are you, Timun Mas? Shouted the giant as he tried to give himself from the bamboo file. He made it and still catching Timun Mas. Timun Mas then reached the dirt bag and spilled the salt inside. The ground which the salt touched thrown into the deep sea. The giant, almost drowned, had to swim across the sea. After some time, he managed to get out from the water. Timun Mas saw the giant coming, so he reaches for the last bag. She took the shrimp paste and drew it. The shrimp paste became a big swamp of boiling mud. The giant was trapped in the middle of the swamp. The mud slowly but surely drowned him. "Help, Ness!" he roared out. "Help! Help!" Then the giant drowned and died. Timun Mas then eventually went home. Since then, Timun Mas and Mbok Sirni lived happily ever after.